made it very clear that she wasn't going to have a birthday party. So we welcome you to Merd's birthday party.
Oh.
Birthday party, I love that.
So how old is Meredith?
12.
70.
Merd doesn't display her birth year on Facebook. So a little bit of reasoning is required. We know that dinosaurs appeared around 240 million years ago, and that the first birds arrived approximately 150 million years BC, which means before Chardonnay.
Yes, I think I need that.
Thanks, Richard.
No more Shardies for you tonight. There will be more on this later. She's well known for her love of Chardonnay, first produced in the 12th century. Using dubious dating techniques and the conditions of this particular bird, notwithstanding some plumage and beak modifications,
Come on, assistant, get on with it.
yeah,
Don't be this one.
we can categorically state that she is a gentleman never reveals a lady's age.
You're not a gentleman.
Merd isn't a drab bird by any stretch of the imagination. She makes sure she is noticed. Honestly, who else would wear a designer coat, large hoop earrings, carry a fashion handbag with dimensions of a small suitcase on a trip to Rainbow's End? In true Merd fashion, disregarding the warnings about loose clothing and accessories, she took a ride on the roller coaster. All was fine until it stopped, and the restraining arm hooked a hoop.
A gold.
Fortunately, the flow of blood expected to issue forth didn't eventuate, but she has never been able to reshape the train smash that once resembled a perfect circle through earring.
I had to throw it out.
So, in true COVID-19 fashion, we present her with her own high-vis. You've got the high-vis early, personal protective equipment, and glasses.
Oh, charming. Oh, nice. Elton.
My first